Hello everyone, this is Ayesha, and in today's video we're going to be learning about variation, heredity, and cell division. So first of all, let's discuss what variation is. So variation are the difference between individuals within a species, and there are two types of variation: genetic variation and environmental variation. And if there is any difference, then it is due to these two. Yeah. Next up is genetic variation. First of all, we're going to be discussing about one of the types of variation which is genetic variation. Genetic variation is carried in the genes passed on from parents to offspring. Keeping this in mind. First of all, you might have noticed this word gene. So what is the meaning of this word? The meaning of genes is that genes are a set of plans for a new cell or a new organism that control the flux of any organism. It means that a gene is a set of plans that creates a whole entire organism. For example, it will decide what should be the organism's hair color, what should be the skin tone, and several and more like that. Human blood groups are also included in genetic variation, ABO blood group. Now here you can see a picture of few birds. There are 4 birds, different types of birds. You can see genetic variation in them. Genetic variation is due to the genes. So the first one has a big beak. The second one has a little smaller beak. Third one has a smaller beak, more smaller than that, and the fourth one has a smaller beak, but it is a bit long. Next we have environmental variation. Environmental variation results from the world in which an organism lives. It results from the world. So, for example, jacket color is an example of environmental variation. The color of the coat of an animal depends on the environment it lives in. So, for example, if you're flat or if you're slim, it's a good example of environmental variation. For example, these two ladies. One has spermed hair and the other one has dyed hair. So this is environmental variation. One has plumped lips and another has slightly tan skin tone. This is also environmental variation. When I talk about the skin tone, I basically mean if your skin tone is too fair, then it may get dull if you go in the sunlight too much. So it's not included in genetic variation. It can change time by time. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.